a few moments, a new team with Georgia Elliott, Terry Smith, and Keith Westerlich. They'll have the latest on what's going on with Hurricane Bob, and we can see some of the rain associated with the hurricane right now as it pushes on to the north. The winds associated with the hurricane up to 115 miles per hour and is a Category 3 hurricane, which is a major hurricane. And you can see the rains continuing to push in that counterclockwise motion as the whole storm moves on up to the north. And as I said, we'll have more information on the hurricane a little bit later on in the hour. Look at some strong storms just ahead of a frontal system that's moving on to the northeast around Poughkeepsie. Some rain and some strong storms at this hour, pushing right on down through sections of Pennsylvania, moving on to the east at 20 miles per hour.